Hello, my loves. I have a bit of a different background today because I am in a different state and I'm in New York time, by the way. So here are some things I did in my last days of Los Angeles, and I'll be celebrating back there again. So I'll be visiting, no worries. I'll be back in the Hollywood Hills. I left my treadmill there, so I just got a new treadmill here just to catch you up. Thank you so much for watching. Give this a like because I know you're gonna like it, and subscribe and click the bell because I post a ton of elegant living, high quality life, and who doesn't want to have a fabulous high quality life?
I promised I would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that something, something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Yeah. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Hotter than the summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me, on me.
I am testing to see what is wrong with this camera, and I'm wondering if it is actually the SD card, because it stops recording automatically, and this is the 6th time that I'm trying this out.
We did have something, it's hard to explain. Remember that song we used to sing in the rain? My God, the ice cream we used to consume. Somehow we lost it all when we left that room. Maybe we should have seen that we were both betrayed. What if we could set fire to those vows we made?
You're not mentally people, you know, make this place like
Birthday girl.
I'll see you soon. Where are you parked? This way.
You guys can go. Literally.
Is there any chance we can call an Uber real quick?
Call me an Uber. Oh my god.
Not cold blood, because it's heat at the moment.
Cold blood is like.
It's like I'm gonna go. I plan how to do it, and I'm gonna enact a way of making sure that I don't get caught.
Dance, dance, dance with you. Harder than a summer. So put your hands on me. Put your hands on me.
Only one, only one, only one. Only one, only one, only one. Patience. I'm running, running, running out of patience. There's gotta be somebody who can save me. Gotta be someone who feels the same. Cause I've been all by myself, got nobody else to help ease my mind. I feel so lonely, so goddamn lonely. Can't be the only one. No, I can't be the only one, only one, only one. Only one, only one, only one. I can't be the only one, only one, only one. 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 I can't be the only one, only one, only one. Only one, only one, only one. Lonely, tired of always feeling so lonely, with nobody around to come and hold me. Gotta be someone who feels the same. Cause I've been all by myself, got nobody else to help ease my mind. I feel so lonely, so goddamn lonely. Can't be the only one. No, I can't be the only one, only one, only one. Only one, only one, only one. I can't be the only one, only one, only one. 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 I can't be the only one, only one, only one. Only one, only one, only one. Cause I've been all by myself, got nobody else to help ease my mind. I feel so lonely, so goddamn lonely. Can't be the only one. No, I can't be the only one, only one, only one. Only one, only one, only one. I can't be the only one, only one, only one. 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 I can't be the only one, only one, only one. Only one, only one, only one.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Ooh, could do the things you do just like you. Ooh, baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same?
Hello my loves, I'll continue this tomorrow, so catch up. I'll see you tomorrow also with a bit more commentary because I know this one was a little bit lacking. See you tomorrow for the next Vlogmas and whatever I will be posting. So subscribe and click the bell, give this a like. If you never want to miss a post, sign up to my newsletter, linked below. But I post on YouTube every single day here in December. I'll see you here. Check out my gift guides, also linked below. I'll see you later.
Ooh.